Hello friends, this video on surface area and volumes part 17 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So in this we'll try to find the volume of the cylinder. So we have already told cylinder is nothing but a 3D surface which is formed by the points at a fixed distance from a given line segment. And that line segment is called axis. Okay, and we are talking about right circular cylinder where the base is circular and the base is actually perpendicular to the axis. Okay, so we have to find the volume of this cylinder. So let's try to find the volume of the cylinder. We'll take a circle. This is a circle. It is not ellipse. It is circle. Actually, you are seeing in that orientation, so it looks like different, but it's a circle with radius r. Okay, and this is a circular plate. We'll pile up a lot of plates. The area of one circle, if you take this small circle, the area of one circle is what? Let me write here. Area of one circle is what? Pi r square. Correct? And now if you have multiple circles piled up together to form a height h, what will be the volume of the whole thing? The volume of the whole thing will be what? Area of circle into height. That is pi r square into h. So in case of surface area, what we did was, in case of surface area, we took circumference of circle into h. In case of area, in case of volume, we are taking area of circle into h. Please understand the difference. This will be in the meter square, this is in the meter cube. So what, to find the surface area of this cylinder, we just have to take the circumference and then multiply with h, because we are worried only about the outer part. We are assuming it is hollow. To find the actual volume of the content inside, we have to find the volume of one plate. You can't find the volume of a plate because the plate is circle, which is two dimensional. So we will get the area of the plate and then we'll multiply the area of the plate into height. So we'll get the volume. Understand, very critical concept. To find the surface area of the same cylinder, we took the circumference of this circle, and then we multiplied with height to get the surface area. To find the volume, we'll find the area of the circle and then multiply with the height to get the volume. Okay. Let's take some numericals to understand the concepts more. Pillars of a temple are cylindrically shaped. Each pillar has a circular base of radius 20 centimeter and the height is 10 meter. Please note the units are different. Okay. How much concrete mixture will be required to build 14 such pillars? So we can either convert all of these into centimeter or meter. Let me convert this into meter. So 20 centimeter becomes 0.2 meter. So I'll make it as 0.2 meter. And this is also meter. Right? So volume of one pillar, if we can find, then we can find the volume of 14 such pillars. So let me find the volume of one pillar. And that is nothing but pi r square h. Put the value 22 by 7. R is what? 0.2. 0.2 square. H is 10. That is the volume of one pillar. Right? So volume of 14 pillar is what? 14 into volume of one pillar. Correct? Common sense. This becomes 14 into 22 by 7. 0.2 square is 0.04 into 10. Okay. So it gets cancelled 2 and this also gets cancelled 0.02 and this into 10 is 0.2. 0.2 into 2.2 is no, this won't get cancelled, right? So let me calculate. This becomes 14 into 22 by 7 into 0.04 becomes 4 by 100 into 10. This gets cancelled. 2. That's all. So we have 8 into 22. That is 176 and this is divided by 10. So 117.6 unit is in meter cube. And that is my answer. Pretty easy. So we found the volume of one pillar multiplied with 14 to get the volume of 14 pillar, and that is the concrete required to build 14 such pillars. Okay. The next question. At a Ramzan Mela, a stall keeper in one of the food stalls has a large cylindrical vessel of radius 15 centimeter, big radius. And this is filled up to the height of 32 centimeter with the orange juice. The juice is again filled into smaller cylindrical glass of radius 3 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. And each is sold for rupees 3. How much money does the stall keeper receive by selling all the juice? So for that we have to find the number of glass juice he can prepare with this particular big tank of orange juice. Correct. For that you have to find the volume of this orange juice. Then you have to find the volume of this glass. Divide to get the number of glass he will sell. And the number of glass he will sell multiplied by 3 is the amount of money he will receive. So let's find the volume of tank. Is nothing but pi r square h. Okay. So let's put the value. Or let me put pi only. It will get cancelled. Pi r is 15 and everything is in centimeter. Please note. R square into h, that is 32 centimeter. That is the volume of tank. Volume of glass is what? Again, that is also pi r square h. Pi, what is the value of r? 3 square h is 8. So number of glass of orange juice prepared is nothing but volume of tank by volume of 1 glass, and that is nothing but pi into 15 square into 32 centimeter cube by pi into 3 square into 8 centimeter cube. This gets cancelled. This is 4. This is 5. So 5 square into 4, 25 into 4 is 100. So 100 glass he can make. Right? So 1 glass he sell for 3 rupees. 100 glass he will sell for how many? 300 rupees. So 300 rupees is the amount of money he will make by selling one big full tank of orange juice. Okay. The circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is given. Please note the circumference is given, the radius is not given. Height is given 25. How many liters of water it can hold? That means we have to just find the volume. The circumference is given. So circumference is nothing but 2 pi r, and that is given 132 centimeter. So let's solve 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 132 centimeter. So with that, if you solve, r comes out to be 21 centimeter. Once we get the volume r, I can easily find the volume of cylinder or volume of vessel. Nothing but pi r square h. 22 by 7, r is 21 square and h is 25, and this will be centimeter cube. So you solve this, you get 34650 centimeter cube, but they are looking for answers in liter. So we know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So divide by 1000 liters, and that is nothing but 34.65 liters. Please pay a little attention here while converting, okay, by 1000. So 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. The inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe, note it is a pipe. The inner diameter is 24 centimeter. Outer diameter is 28 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter, all in same centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe. If 1 centimeter cube of wood has the mass of 6 grams, so that means we have to find the mass of this particular wooden pipe, right? So before finding the mass, we know that we have to find then volume of this pipe, because from the volume we can actually find mass. So volume of pipe we have to find. So in this case, volume of pipe will be what? Pi, the volume of the bigger pipe, that is pi r2 square h, minus volume of smaller pipe, pi r1 square h. So if this is r1 and this is r2, so first find the volume of the bigger cylinder, then subtract the volume of the smaller cylinder, you get the volume of the pipe. This is the pipe. So that is nothing but pi into h into r2 square minus r1 square. Put the values. Pi is 22 by 7, h is 35, r2 is 28 square minus r1 is 24 square. You solve this, you get 5720 centimeter cube is the volume of the pipe. So 1 centimeter cube implies 0.6 gram. So 5720 centimeter cube will imply 0.6 into 5720 gram. That is nothing but 3432 gram. If you want to convert to kg, this is 3.432 kg. Pretty easy. The concept here is that you have to find the volume of the pipe. To find the volume of the pipe which has a width, you have to first find the volume of the bigger pipe and subtract with the volume of this, volume of the bigger cylinder minus volume of the smaller cylinder, you get the volume of the pipe. Thank you. Visit our website examfear.com to watch more and more quality education videos. You can also attempt free online tests that are there in our website. You can also get access to tons of free study materials, and you can also find free tutors and mentors in this website. Thanks a lot for watching.